channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you some tips on how to get to the new routine of going back to school and work. So if you want to know what I have to say about it, just keep on watching. I have a few tips on how to make the transition easier for you guys. So the first thing I have to say is prepare yourself for it. Sounds pretty straightforward, but it means you should prepare for it mentally and physically too. So what I would suggest is going for a nice dinner with friends and then just enjoy those last minutes of freedom and soak it all in so you have the energy to be ready for this new routine to start. Another tip I would give you guys is the night before do some pampering for yourself. So for example, take a nice bath or put some masks on your face or just do something that relaxes you and implies beauty and your own body, because that will make you super relaxed and ready for bed, and you won't be as anxious as you would normally be thinking that the next day you have to wake up and go to work or go to school. Also, another tip I would give you is to prepare everything that you can in advance. For example, lunch, if you're bringing lunch to work, or your outfit, so you have it on the chair ready to go. You don't have to think what to wear whatsoever, which also means extra time sleeping, which is basically what I like doing when I prepare everything in advance. Or anything that you can think of that you could be able to prepare in advance, so once you wake up you don't have to think about anything, everything is on the go and you're out of the house. Something that for me is also super useful and motivational is to have an agenda, because I know if I have an agenda I'm gonna stick to plans. I'm gonna try to write everything down, what things that have to be done, but not only work or school related, but also my free time. So I would suggest one agenda. I have this one here that is mine, but an agenda that is somehow cute, that has things that you can put on. Like for example, this one has some stickers, like for example this ones as well, and you can just take these ones and add them at the day that you want to add something. So for example, if you have a birthday, you can add, for example, in October, and you can add the birthday and a sticker, for example. So if you are on Monday and you have birthday on Thursday, and you're gonna be able to see, oh, I have a birthday on Thursday, so that it's gonna make you push through the week better and better. And also in this case, it has a thing at the end of the line that you can tick and mark it once you're done with that specific thing. For example, going to work, going to the gym, going grocery shopping, small things. Don't have to be crazy goals, but things that keeps you motivated once you mark them out and it's one thing less on the list. And it's really nice to check it because it makes you feel accomplished, and that's what I like about these agendas. And also just make it look pretty, which sounds maybe a bit stupid, but it helps a lot. For example, for me, that I use this agenda so much, I just put also a lot of colors and different things to make me push through the week and be motivated with what I've accomplished every single day. Next thing I would suggest is, once the day is done, the first day, going back to the routine, to give yourself a break. So I would suggest doing something that makes you happy. For example, if you like going to the movies, go to the movies. If you like going out for dinner, go out for dinner. Whatever makes you happy, just do it. Go shopping, buy an ice cream, go do some sports, whatever keeps you motivated and happy. I think it's really good for you to reward yourself that you made through the first day going back to school or work, and you should be proud of it and celebrate it with yourself. And the last tip I would say is that you should remind yourself that you got this, that you're ready for this new academic or working year, and you're just gonna push through and make it because you had an amazing vacation, and now it's time to go back and prove yourself that you can do this. So that was the whole video, guys. I hope it helped you and make you excited for this new routine to come. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would love if you guys could be part of my growing community. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!